Now, 11 people have been killed, at least 20 of them rescued after massive fire broke out at a COVID-19 facility in Andhra Pradesh's Vijayawada. Let's take a look at this detailed report. It could be that the hotel and hospital authorities have been negligent, claiming the lives of that many.
Flames engulfed the Swan Palace Hotel turned makeshift COVID-19 hospital in Andhra's Vijayawada early on Sunday. At 5 a.m., the fire caught the sleeping patients unaware. Many patients choked to death due to the thick plume of smoke. Others rushed to windows and jumped from the terrace as flames spread to upper floors of the hotel. Fire tenders rushed to the spot to douse the blaze and rescue trapped patients, doctors and nurses. The casualties came to fore by 5:45 a.m. when the fire was put out. Around 40 people were present inside the building when the fire broke out of which 30 were COVID-19 patients.
The incident took place at around 5 a.m. and we could save, there were 30 patients. Around 22 patients have been shifted to safe place. They are getting medical treatment. It appears to be short circuit. Preliminary report says that.
Local authorities blame short circuit for the fire and has booked the hospital management for negligence. The fire department says the hospital did not have any NOC before converting the hotel into a COVID facility for VIP COVID patients. The makeshift hospital kept operating without necessary permission, but officials only realized this after the tragedy. The fire alarm too malfunctioned and did not ring at the time of the accident. There was also an alleged delay in opening the back door to let those trapped flee the fire.
They had actually given permission to this hotel to be converted into a COVID care center and to be run by a hospital. So the primary blame today is on the government. How did they give clearance to this hotel to be converted into a COVID center without inspecting the premises properly?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to CM Jagan, who gave rupees 50 lakh to families of the deceased and ordered a probe.
Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has already announced 50 lakhs ex gratia to the families of deceased. Officials were directed to take immediate rescue measures, and we received the information that electrical short circuit could be the possible cause of accident.
11 persons have lost their life in this tragic incident. The fire broke out this morning. This particular hotel was converted into a COVID care facility by a private hospital. Private hospital had in fact hired this hotel, and it was converted into a COVID care facility. Almost 40 COVID care patients were undergoing treatment or isolation at this particular hotel.
The incident comes days after 8 people were killed in a fire at a private hospital in Ahmedabad. India's COVID fight has partly been compromised by overburdened and underprepared hospitals. While some get flooded, others pile bodies next to patients. Some even see free run by pigs. With inputs from Ashish Pandey in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.